Coaching and Leading Agility course is more of an advanced course that's targeted at coaches, influencers in organizations, and people who want to help their organizations to change. We like for you to have a number of years of experience working in an Agile shop. Ideally, you've worked in a position of influence where you've had some experience that you can bring to the course as well. The course starts talking about really what are the skills needed to be a coach, what does it mean to coach, and then it kind of gets into, okay, how do you go about coaching? How do you start? One of the first things that we frame and discuss for them is you're coming to work with a new team, a new organization. You're going to go through some level of assessment of inventory. We kind of lay out this is how you can do this, and we teach the exact pattern that we use here at Cprime. From there, then we help the students to understand, okay, based on what you learned in the assessment, how can we propose and collaborate with the client or with your team, getting to a coaching plan, getting to something that's going to help them to create sticky change over a long period of time. Then the course really then from there, it goes into understanding the different dimensions of agility. Oftentimes coaches fall into the trap of just thinking about process, and they're missing things like the product side of the house, understanding what we're building, validating in the market. They're missing things like the technology side of the house. Do we have resilient code bases? Are we able to quickly build and test? Do we have automation? Those types of things. So we expose the coaches to the big picture of all of that so that they can be more robust in the ways that they help their teams. Lastly, and in the second day, the course shifts more from kind of an academic setting into more of a workshop setting, where we invite the participants to bring up topics, maybe constraints they're hitting in their organization, struggles that they've had as coaches or as leaders, and we collaborate in groups and with our instructors on, okay, how can we go about solving them? It's neat because the students bring the context of the place, the company that they're working, and our instructors bring that outside context and can share real life stories of when we hit this company or that company. Lastly, we end by proposing to the student a couple different coaching scenarios and having them create what their coaching plans would be. So it's a really fun course, lots of discussion, lots of opportunity really for the class to steer it in the direction and just to really amp up those coaching skills.